Multiple nozzles simultaneously fill cans, demonstrating high-speed automation.
Dawn breaks over the vast Red Bull facility, revealing its majestic industrial scale.
Morning. Manifest, please.
Here it is. Have a good one.
Raw glucose syrup is received, monitored by a diligent technician. A specialist meticulously inspects purified water, ensuring stringent quality control. Dynamic mixing tanks churn, driven by powerful industrial processes and energy.
A technician precisely transports key vitamins and amino acids for addition.
A technician carefully pours vibrant amber liquid into a large mixing vat. Massive filtration units purify the mixture, preparing it for the next stage. A vibrating screen refines flavoring agents, ensuring pristine purity. A robotic arm precisely dispenses concentrated flavoring into a vast vat. Giant vats churn in the main mixing hall, the heart of production. Controlled heating ensures ingredient dissolution, precisely monitored for optimal results. Pressure gauges steadily monitor robust industrial processes, ensuring stability. Automated valves open and close, creating a rhythmic, mechanical flow. Sparkling, purified liquid flows into a sterile holding tank, ready for carbonation.
A technician calibrates a pH meter, ensuring precise quality control before carbonation.
Gleaming carbonation tanks infuse the liquid, creating effervescent energy.
Empty Red Bull cans glide on a conveyor, beginning their final journey.
A single empty can precisely positions under a nozzle, ready for filling.
Vibrant amber liquid rapidly fills the can, a dynamic burst of energy.
Multiple nozzles simultaneously fill cans, demonstrating high-speed automation. Can lids are automatically placed and sealed, ensuring product integrity. Freshly sealed cans rapidly convey a continuous, energetic flow. A technician performs a precise weight check, ensuring rigorous quality assurance.
A laser etches batch codes onto cans, marking final product identification.
A machine shrink wraps multi-packs, creating a seamless, protective seal.
A shipping label is automatically applied, marking final logistical detail.
A manager scans a pallet, updating inventory through digital integration.
A forklift loads the last pallet, signaling shipment completion and readiness.
A full truck departs the factory, beginning its journey of distribution. An aerial view reveals the sprawling Red Bull facility under midday sun.
The iconic Red Bull can, illuminated by a spotlight, a symbol of premium energy.
An embossed logo reveals premium texture, connecting the brand to urban energy.
A Red Bull can dramatically pops open, releasing a refreshing mist.
A hand reaches for a perfectly chilled Red Bull from a vibrant cooler. A dynamic whip pan across various Red Bull flavors. A vibrant, diverse display.
And he sticks the landing. The Superman pose was flawless. Let's hear it for him.
A Red Bull can is responsibly recycled, highlighting brand sustainability.
A simple choice for a healthier planet. Please recycle this can and help us create a more sustainable future.
The Red Bull can's ingredients list scrolls, revealing transparent composition.
Red Bull pours elegantly over ice into a clear glass, refreshing and vibrant.
Here's to us, honey. Cheers.
Publicly lit Red Bull can casts a dramatic, iconic shadow.
A massive glucose syrup tank is refilled, emphasizing continuous operation. A digital flow meter displays precise rates, controlling raw material transfer. A technician carefully releases sugar into a dissolving tank, introducing ingredients. A technician transports flavor concentrates, ensuring precise journey components. A giant agitator mixes viscous liquid, completing the initial blending cycle.
Gleaming pipes carry liquid mixture, emphasizing intricate technological flow. A technician conducts a refractometer test, ensuring precise sugar content. Automated pumps rhythmically move liquid, ensuring continuous, powerful flow.
A technician removes a fine mesh filter, revealing trapped microparticles.
A UVC lamp intensely sterilizes liquid, showcasing advanced purification.
Automated nozzles spray high-pressure water, rigorously cleaning empty cans.
Empty cans shimmer under hot air blowers, rapidly drying on a conveyor. Cans advance on a conveyor, entering the final high-tech filling area.
A filling nozzle descends precisely, poised to fill an empty can.
Vibrant amber liquid enters the can, creating a dynamic, perfect swirl.
A machine crimps can lids, ensuring a fast, precise, and secure seal. Freshly sealed cans cool rapidly in a water bath, an energetic process.
A specialist visually inspects cans for defects, ensuring rigorous quality. A UV light system scans cans, detecting invisible defects with high-tech precision.
A robotic arm gently picks a perfect six-pack, showcasing final packaging precision. The Red Bull logo is stamped onto a box, a sharp final branding application.
A technician performs a final visual check on a pallet, ensuring meticulous oversight.
A perfectly chilled Red Bull can glistens, a dramatic, premium reveal.
A Red Bull can orbits, showcasing its seamless 360-degree design. An embossed can base on ice, revealing crisp texture and invigorating chill. A high-resolution Red Bull image appears, crisp and detailed on a monitor.
A massive automated warehouse reveals towering Red Bull pallets for global distribution.
A semi-truck backs into a loading bay, a powerful logistical maneuver.
The Red Bull facility twinkles at dusk, completing a full cycle of production.